The Giro d'Italia made history on Saturday with a symbolic cross-border finish between Gorizia, Italy and Nova Gorica, Slovenia. A region once divided by war is now united through sport.
E allora vogliamo sentire il Giro.
It's my first Giro, and I've really been loving the fans here in Italy. Obviously, I've raced in Italy before, but I think just seeing a lot more of the country and passing through the different regions and trying some of the different food. Our chef is good at adjusting to the local.
Such a nice race, and yeah, I cannot be more proud to be here.